7, 8, go.
Every morning at 7 a.m., thousands of people across Orlando race to book their first Lightning Lane. Disney says most of them will get 2 to 3 more Lightning Lanes during the day. We're aiming a bit higher.
1 down, 36 to go.
That's right, Genie Plus includes 37 rides. Today we're trying to ride them all using their Lightning Lane.
Or as we like to call it, the Ride Every Lightning Lane, Ride Lightning Lane Challenge.
We set our previous record of 34 Lightning Lanes in one day back in February.
But that challenge included shows and a few character meetings. This time, it's just rides.
We don't have to worry about individual Lightning Lanes during this challenge.
But we may have to contend with some rain as a hurricane is headed for Florida.
Just taking our leisurely time.
Nice and easy this morning. We've got about 10 minutes before we can get in here. So.
Yeah, we could ride Jungle Cruise and then ride Jungle Cruise. We're a little early, but thought we'd try our luck given this massive crowd.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's just us on this boat, it looks like. Excellent.
A private cruise.
Sorry guys, I'm full. I can't make it. I'm just kidding. Man, Brent, this is our surveyor camp. What's going on over here today?
Hopefully that is a sign for things to come.
Just empty, empty, empty.
Yep. Oh, the beautiful sounds of the magic carpets of Aladdin.
Yes.
Thunder, I think, is still down right now.
Okay. We've got our work cut out for us. Number 2.
There was an 8:55 pan, but I think that's too late.
Thank you.
An empty ramp.
Scrolling.
Always.
Different kind of challenge today.
Yeah, like I would happily take pan at 9:25. It's currently 8:39, except we can't do anything between now and then, so I had to let it pass.
All right.
Thunder is up.
Can we take it?
It's not immediate. It's 9:15.
Okay.
That's like 30 minutes. I took it for now.
Yeah.
We could use our Thunder in 9 minutes, or we could go on Small World and then book Thunder and then go use it, which I think is our plan.
Super empty here. Thank you. Amazing. It's a big boat after all.
Wow, I didn't realize this was a thrill ride. It's like a very fast Dr. Doom. It's bouncing.
It's like these sheep are having an argument.
No,
Yup.
no,
Yup.
no,
Yup.
no.
20-minute standby. Oh, stop taking the lightning lanes, people. You don't need them. We need them.
Okay, so we have 15,
15 minutes?
18 minutes to kill.
What? The old Halloween shop.
So this is what makes this challenge much different from anything else. We're just looking for things to do right now. We have 9 more minutes till we can use our lightning lane.
Killing time.
Yeah, it's a weird kind of speed run where we're like, I guess go to the bathroom? We just talked to a cast member for like 3 minutes?
Maybe let us know in the comments what are your favorite ways to kill time in the parks between attractions.
Our favorite way is to do attractions, but not today.
Peter Pan's flight. All right, here we go. Excellent. One more. Oh no, come on people. We got stuff to book here. Just take my... All right. Excellent. Wonderful, thank you. All right.
Almost lost my phone.
Oh no. The poo queue.
The poo queue.
The poo queue.
Silly old bear. It's a +3 day. Like maybe the rest of the day might be.
Okay, so now headed to Tomorrowland, right?
Yep, we're gonna do Space Mountain, and then Buzz, and then
Awesome.
Speedway. I think we're halfway done here.
Wow.
This is the easy part, right?
Yeah.
Studios, the rain.
Yes. Animal, Epcot. I mean,
It's gonna be difficult.
yeah. Think we can outdo that score? I'm just glad we didn't have to sing on that.
Oh, I kind of missed the singing.
Shoe Bear at the wheel. Shoe Bear at the wheel. So at this point, we basically have the Storybook Circus stuff left, and we have Under the Sea, Mad Tea Party.
Mad Tea Party, yeah.
So we're almost done with Magic Kingdom.
And amazingly, we're actually going to be able to stack.
We're going to need that for later in the evening, but it's been very smooth sailing thus far. Don't know if it's a hurricane or if it's back to school or the end of European vacations, but there is nobody here today.
I mean, it's a very blue sky right now. We'll see what it looks like later.
What'd you book next?
Mad Tea Party? I enjoy watching Shrugsworth fold his long legs into this vehicle.
Tight fit. The wildest ride in Storybook Circus. Now
All
Shoe
right.
Bear's at it.
I'm looking at Studios,
Hollywood
which we
Studios.
won't go to till later. There's a Slinky Dog for 6.
Perfect. Well, the current time is 11:25, and we are done with all of the Lightning Lane rides at Magic Kingdom. We have 2.5 hours to kill before we get off to our next park. So what do you think? Fill up our waters, find a place to eat our lunch.
Yeah? I mean, take a nap?
So Epcot's up next. We'll see you over there. Okay, so we've finished up our lunch. We've got a few minutes before it's time to park hop, and now's when the challenge begins.
Yep, the clouds are building. The line times are getting a little longer, so we're having to scroll a little bit harder. We're gonna have to hop, 3 times.
And we've only got until 8:30. That's when we can pull our final Lightning Lane. Right now, our projections have it being very tight. We actually need to pick up a few minutes here and there this afternoon in order to accomplish it. So we'll see how this goes. So far, the day's gone really, really well, but park hopping and with a storm moving in,
We've got a bunch of rides that break down a lot. Remy, Frozen, Test Track, Everest, Dinosaur, Slinky, Tower. I mean, I could just go on all
so
day.
basically all the remaining rides.
So we're waiting to go in, and we also need a Remy Lightning Lane. We have one for 2:30, which on any other day would be great, but not today, because we need near immediate. I think they're letting us in, so here we go.
Bam.
We are going to Remy without a Lightning Lane. 2.
2. Did it. Amazing.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. And I'll let your mother is a little past what we would like. Of course, we'd like to use it, but it takes about 8 to 10 minutes to walk to France. Sorry, to Norway.
Norway, from France.
So
A couple countries over.
we'll have to wait like 10 minutes there, but we think it's better than anything else we'll get later on.
Yes.
So, and reduces our walking time later. So we're going to stick with it. We'll see if we come to rue this decision.
We'll also see. It's always possible we pull something along the way.
It's true. I'm draining my battery as we speak.
Seems very disheveled. Ready to go to the door? Not so great news received in the test track line. Our next lightning lane was for Journey into Imagination with Figment, and it's currently down.
We're gonna walk past it. So we'll see if it's back up. But it's too early in the day for us to stick around the park just to do that. So we're gonna finish the rest of Epcot, and if it's still not up, it's off to Animal Kingdom.
Animal plants that have been in a su seguridad.
So, that long wait for Soarin',
Yeah, but
Was-
Figment's back.
worth it. Yes, Figment is back. So our next lightning lane is Seas with Nemo, but we're gonna make our way over to Figment since it's right up there. Knock this out.
Might get 2 parks done.
Good to have you back, Figment.
Imagination is a blast!
It looks like it's gonna rain.
Save some time. We're gonna need it. There we are. When I'm first. Woo!
Did you almost fall?
No. No, I totally didn't almost fall. Nobody almost fell.
That's a very convincing face you're making. Of course I get hurt. That's why my face looks like that.
Don't worry.
2 parks down. This one a little behind schedule.
Yeah.
But we're
The
gonna keep going. Hopefully catch some breaks. along the way.
rain looks inevitable right now. So we're gonna try to do Cali then Everest.
Bye, Epcot. Thanks for nothing.
I start to notice I still feel alive. Falling forward, back into orbit.
We definitely heard a few claps of thunder, but right now, Cali and Everest are still listed as up, so we're headed in. Is it converted? All right. Cali and Everest closed. Oh, so close. So close to making it. We would have been one of the last boats, I think. It's a little heavier rain. Okay, our Cali converted, so we just booked a dinosaur We're headed in there now. Hopefully those come back, but we'll see. And it's a walk-on. Amazing.
I start to notice I still feel it. Running forward, back in the
So nothing's back.
Yeah. Well, the trails are back,
Okay, well,
but
that's a
the
decent
rides are
sign.
not. I think it's either 30 or 25 minutes before each park closes, they stop offering lightning lanes.
Yes.
So if all the lightning lanes for 6:30 are gone, there are not going to be any other lightning lanes available, even though the park will be open for another half hour.
Yes. And
So we need a 6:30 one.
yes, because Animal Kingdom closes early, 7 p.m. today.
pulling me back to earth to let me
All right, thank you. Oh, the connectivity's got us.
floating in outer space.
Okay, so now, walking back across the park with purpose. We're doing a little bit of finagling because Kilimanjaro Safaris is out of lightning lanes, but we have a loophole. It's not really a loophole, it's functionality. The Cali River Rapids lightning lane converted to a select experiences lightning lane, which means you can use it at a number of attractions throughout the park. One of those attractions is Kilimanjaro Safari. When your lightning lane converts to a select experiences pass, you're able to book a lightning lane for the attraction that converted. So as a result, Cali River Rapids still has a couple lightning lanes available. So we're gonna try to badge into Everest, book a Cali, and if that happens, we can then do Cali with that lightning lane, and then we can use the select experiences on Kilimanjaro Safari, thus completing Animal Kingdom. However, there's still a lot of steps that have to go right.
Including the weather,
Yeah.
cooperating. Luckily, we won't be in many more Wi-Fi dead spots.
Yeah. I just meant we have to like literally walk over there first.
Let's do it.
How we looking?
We got it.
What time?
6:20, so 2 minutes from now.
Oh my gosh. Our train's coming in and it's almost just us. It's just this guy and us. Here goes. Not so bad. Not so bad. Not so bad. We are, yes.
No, I think they're deciding to move. Sometimes they don't know where their horns are since they're incredibly light. But I think they're moving out of the way.
3 parks down.
What was that?
3 parks down.
Eight lightning lanes here,
Yes.
included in Genie Plus.
And
We have 2 already. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get the other 6.
but you know what? Our record, our personal best of
Is
17 has already been beaten. 35 would be our personal best, and there's a very slim chance we might be able to do that today. We've already beaten 17. We've already
Which
beaten
was
17.
just some number stuck in your head from every ride.
Hello. Has not moved. Has not moved. We're moving now. Hopefully a good sign. Thank you.
Star Tour's next.
Booking Smuggler's Run.
What's going on?
Had to go check on something. It's not clear what's happening. The sensor.
So I have a new partner, neighbor.
This is just what happens. You get to the end of the night, have a lightning lane for a kitty coaster, and it goes down.
Welcome, welcome. What a fine-looking group of fine professionals.
Alright, thank you.
Perfect, welcome on in, have fun.
Slinky, are you coming back?
Sugar, be ready. One last ride for today. We think. Maybe Slinky opens. One last ride for today.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm pretty hungry and I'm pretty tired. And I'm ready to swirl.
It's been quite a run. No better way to end it than with a swirl with our friends.
That's true. Yeah, I'm really tired.
Barnstormer.
I've been waiting all day to ride this.
I didn't realize I broke up a third time.
Next one. Not our doggo. What a day.
Yeah, pretty good.
We did it! We did it! 34! Tied! Tied!
We'll be back for 37 sometime.
Coming for you. Well, Schubert, we didn't do it.
We did not.
Came up a little bit short. 34 lightning lanes. Tied our record though. 34 lightning lanes in
and
one day.
this time not including shows, so just the rides, which arguably some people will be the most valuable lightning lanes. We got 34 out of 37.
Yeah. And what a way to end, getting on Slinky Dog Dash. It was closed. We weren't sure if we were going to be able to use that lightning lane, but then we stuck with it and it opened right at the last minute. And it was so thrilling to see other people who had been standing there for, I don't know, an hour, maybe longer, hoping that it would come back, get to walk on basically. So thrilling for us and also thrilling for them.
Yeah, I mean, it's a fascinating challenge because it's different from what we usually do. You know, we have to use a different strategy, we use a different part of our brain, we have to kind of evaluate pros and cons of taking this lightning lane versus that one. It's just so different, and yet it's still got the fast-paced, strategy that we love. And it's cheaper, which, is pretty good when it comes to going to Disney.
Definitely an added bonus. So we'll be back to try this again. We're going to tweak the strategy a little bit. But yeah, definitely a fun and interesting challenge. Might be the most difficult challenge that we've attempted yet.
Yeah, I mean, we can't get past 34, so maybe you can.
All right. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Disney challenges, and we'll see you in the next one. Maybe we'll just catch a full set of sunny eclipse at cosmic rays.
Oh no. They say that Dumbo is the 8th wonder of the world, which Disney claims to have 2 eighth wonders of the world.
Oh, what's the other one?
The backside of water!
Yeah, that's interesting. They're gonna have to fight it out, I think. From this queue, you can kind of get some of the Tron music. And so you're like, Barnstormer's gonna be
Not
epic.
quite the same.
Epic. Ugh. Ugh.
Just use your imagination as to how riding Figment goes.
That's also using your imagination.
Did we have to do that pun twice?
That was just a spark
No,
for me from you.
stop! 3 times?
You feel like singing
No, I don't.
for the rest of the
I
challenge?
really don't. Oh, I kind of miss the singing.
You don't feel like
No,
singing?
please stop. And somehow book 37 lightning lanes. And our record,
17.
no! Our record is 34! Our record is 34 lightning lanes. All right, number 34.
34.
Genie plus lightning lane rides. Lightning lane challenge. All right.
Walking to the rideshare area right now. We've spent the last few minutes just, comparing notes and thinking about what this means for our next challenge. Well, not our next challenge, our next challenge. We've got some awesome stuff coming out this fall. So be sure, subscribe, stay tuned. It's gonna be awesome. Anything to add?
No, just awesome.
It's gonna be awesome.